Somebody's
Good
crow,
afternoon,
Vaiga's crow is repeatedly crying. Crow. There is a crow. Vaiga. What she is saying? Your crow.
no, ma'am.
Nothing. The crow is still crying behind you. Tell the crow to keep quiet.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, all of you. A very good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, had lunch, my children?
Yes, ma'am. At lunch.
Had lunch. Very good.
No, ma'am.
Healthy dish?
Yes, healthy.
Yes, ma'am.
It's very healthy. Fidel, what did you eat?
Chicken.
Very healthy. Very healthy. Chicken, it is hormone injected. Please don't prefer chicken, my children. You eat poisoned vegetables, right? We are getting everything from outside and all the pesticides and all. So still the vegetables are not good to eat. So do one thing. It is lockdown. You tell your parents to buy and give you some grow bags. Okay, fill it with soil and try to make your own vegetable garden, and which gives you a very good happiness and a healthy food as a result. Okay, how many of you have a vegetable garden at home? Oh, very good, very good. So cultivate brinjal, cultivate tomato, potato, whatever it is, Chinese potatoes, and at least plantains, and whatever you can, you make it ginger. Ginger also. Ginger
Turmeric is there. Turmeric.
And chili.
Ma'am,
And
beans.
lady finger.
Ma'am, beans. Ashgard.
Everything. That can be cultivated. But do you have a collection of that?
Yes, yes.
Very good, very good. That is very good. So today what you want to do is today itself you go and meet your father in the evening when he is in a happy mood and ask him he has got a salary or not. If he gets, you can just approach him and just tell him, Father, please give me 10 grow bags. Okay, so he will definitely buy and give you grow bags and you can start your vegetable planting today.
Boys say that don't ask the salary and all.
No, if there is no enough and sufficient salary to meet everything, he won't be giving you at least 10 bags. So at least you ask, Father, have you got your salary and all? Then have a good connection, have a good channel of talk. And then you ask, give me 500 rupees for buying grow bags. Then definitely he'll be giving you. Okay, ask whether the pocket is full or not. We should, before asking, we should know the capacity of our parents, right? Don't think that our parents are always Ambani children and all, right? Ambani sons. No, we are actually from mediocre family. We are not very rich and we are not so poor. So we need to meet a lot of things. So ask your father's pocket first and demand for something. Okay.
Oh, ma'am, 500 rupees it is tough.
500 rupees is very small. You ask your father how much time he's spending to earn 500 in a day. It's very difficult. Okay. Okay. So children, please listen carefully. We have successfully completed a topic called prepositions. Not fully completed, partially completed the topic prepositions in the last class. Let me introduce the preposition. Let me give you a recap on prepositions. Prepositions are the small words used in English grammar, which is normally placed before, as the name suggests, it is just placed before the noun or pronoun. Okay, we can use a preposition only before the noun or a pronoun within a sentence. Okay, and it links or it connects certain other words within the same sentence. Okay, this noun or pronoun can be connected with other words within that particular sentence, and those words are, it can be a noun, it can be a verb, it can be an adjective. Okay, this is what we discussed in the previous plan. As also we said, there are 3 types of prepositions. Okay, preposition of time, preposition of place, preposition of direction, right? We discussed about preposition of place, which shows the place. And when you ask a question where, you will be getting an answer, the preposition of place. When, it shows the preposition of time. To which direction, it gives you an idea about the preposition of direction also. So today I have also said also, children, there is no rules for you to use a preposition. Okay, to get the right usage, you read a lot. Okay, so I recommend reading. So let me explain with the help of a box now. We have a small box here. It shows preposition of time, the preposition which can be used before the time. Okay, and the place and direction. Let us see that. Okay, it is, look at here, children. We have a few preposition of place here. On is an example for a preposition of place. In, preposition of place. At, sorry, in, on, at are the preposition of time. Since shows time. For also shows time. So now where to use? Okay, that is what we are going to use. Look at the examples given here. Before the days of, or the names of the days of a week, we can use on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Sunday, on Saturday, names of the days of the week. Okay, at the same time, in can be used before the names of month. In the August, in January, in March, in October, see, before the names of month, and also before the names of seasons. In winter, in summer, in autumn, okay, in the rainy season. So before the names of seasons, we can use in. Okay, and time of the day. You know, morning is there, afternoon is there, evening is there, right? So before the time of these days, you can use in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. But remember, before night, you must use the word at. Okay? Okay? So here, after a certain period of time, see, in an hour. Before the word hour, you should use the preposition in. In an hour, within an hour, in an hour, in 2006, in 2020, in 2005. Okay, year. Before year, you can use in within a sentence. Okay, so look at here, at. Where to use at? Before night, before the word weekend, along with 9:30. That means which shows a certain point of time. You can use the preposition at night, at the weekend, at 9:30. What do you mean by 9:30?
Like
9:30 means what? 9:30 means what?
9:30.
Yeah, the time is 9:30 here. Okay, half past. Okay, 9:30 here. Excellent. Okay, since we are using to show from the past till now. See, I have told in the other class also. See, children, if you see the board of a particular familiar or a very famous shop. Okay, for example, Bhima Jewelry. Okay, Bhima Jewelers. Under Bhima, you can see it's written since 1985. Means what?
Yes. Ma'am, from that
it started in 19. It started. The shop started in the 1985, and it is still running. Right? So from the past till now, and now it is actually running. Okay, still going on. Started in 1985, and it's still there, and it is still running there. So since, exactly, for can also be used like that. Look at here, for. Where to use for? That is also to show from past till now. For 2 hours. I have been waiting for 2 hours. What do you mean by that? For 2 hours. I started 2 hours before. Still I am waiting for you here. Right? From the past till now. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So it shows a period of time. Okay? Let us see the next one. Ago. You have seen this word ago in many storybooks.
Yes, ma'am.
2 years ago. Before 2
like
years.
9 years ago.
It happened 2 years ago. It happened 2 years before. Okay. So to, until, till are preposition of time. Okay. From Monday to Friday. So it shows a duration, beginning and ending period, right? This program starts in Monday and it definitely get over by Friday evening 5 o'clock. Okay, so Monday to Saturday, Monday till Friday, until Saturday. Okay, all these words shows a beginning time and an ending time. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now by, the word by. It gives us latest updations. I will be back by 6 o'clock. Okay, I am at my friend's house. I'll be back by 6 o'clock. Definitely I'll be coming by 6 o'clock. Okay, by 11 o'clock I had read 5 pages. Within that time, I completed 5 pages of my book. Okay, so by is a preposition in the sense of at the latest, up to a certain time. Okay, up to a certain time. Now look at here, these are the prepositions of time. Okay children, that is just our preposition of time. And tell me, what are the preposition of time we discussed here?
Ma'am,
Ago.
we discussed.
Ago,
Ma'am,
Ma'am, ago. To.
in
Until and by.
until till by.
And by.
yes, you're great.
Ago.
Very good. So until, to, till, in, at, what else? Ago,
By.
since, for, on, in, at. Okay. Very good, very good. These are the preposition of time. Now let us see the preposition of place and the use of preposition of direction. Remember children, hardly any rules. There is no rules that you should follow when you use those prepositions in your language. I recommend reading. Okay, you read a lot, you will get used with this. Okay, prepositions. Okay, so let me share the screen for you children, the box for you children. Look at the preposition of place and position. Position or direction. See, these are the words which you can use it for showing position or direction. See, in, at, on, by, next to, beside, under, below, over, above, across, through, to, into, towards, onto, from are the preposition examples for preposition of place and preposition of direction. Let us see right from the beginning. Okay, look at here, the preposition of position and direction or place and direction. The first one, in. What is in? In should be, or in you can use to show the names of rooms in the kitchen, in the dining room, in the bathroom. In London, name of a street, it can be a name of a town. In the book. In the book, everything is written in the book, not on the wrap of the book, right? It is in the book. In the car, we are sitting inside a car and traveling, not on top of the car, right? So in the car. In a taxi, you are not sitting on the roof of the taxi, you are sitting inside the taxi, right? In the picture, you can see a lion in the picture, you can see a coconut tree in the picture, you can see a bird flying in the picture, you can see everything within the picture, in the picture. In the world, Asia is a part of world. So you can see India is also there in the world, not outside the world. We are living in the world, not outside the world. Okay. So remember, in can be used to show the place in a sentence. Okay. So second one is at. At the door. Next to the door. I am standing close to the door. At the door. I'm not standing with the door. I'm standing at the door. Okay, with the door means me and the door are very close friends. Right? Here, not like that. It is not a living thing. So I am standing at the door. I am a living organism and the door is not, and it's not. Right? So at the door, next to the door, by the door. Okay? at the station. I am waiting a train at the station or at the station, not in the station. Okay, I'm standing, I am waiting. I am waiting at the station.
The station.
Okay, at the table. Next to the table. I'm actually near the table. Okay, I have a plate on the table. I kept it on the table and I am at the table now. I'm not sitting on the table. I'm not sitting under the table. I am next to the table, near the table, at the table. Clear?
Yes.
Am I clear?
Yes.
Yes,
At the
ma'am.
party. I am at the party. I am there at the party. I have not started taking the plate and not started eating my chickens there. Right? Chicken stew is there, beef is there, many things are there, but I haven't taken even a plate. I am at the party now. I'm just started. I'm just reached there. Okay? At the station, bus station. I am at the cinema mall. Okay, I have a cinema, what I can say, theater. I am at the cinema theater. I haven't get into that. Okay, I have reached now at the cinema theater. I have reached at the school now, at the school. I'm not studying in the school. I just reached at the school now, near the school now, at the school. I'm going to the school, or I can say that I am at the school now. I am at work. Don't disturb me at work. I'm doing my work. I'm at work and don't disturb me, right? At work.
Yes.
Okay. So look at the usages of on now. See, if you hang something on the surface of something, you can use on. Okay. The picture on the wall. It is hanging. It is hanging not inside the wall. It is not hanging with the wall. It is actually kept on top of the surface of, on the wall. London lies on the river Thames. Before the river, a place with a river. If you want to show a place near the river, you have to use on the river Thames. Okay. London lies near the Thames River. So you can use on the Thames. Okay. And you can use on the table. If you are planning to keep something, see, at the table means you are sitting close with the table. On the table means you kept something on the table. Clear?
Ma'am, like
On
the
the
plates
left.
are on the table.
On the left,
On
on
the
the
table.
right, on the left and right, along with the left and right, you can use on. He is standing on my left side, not in my left side. Okay? On the first floor. You know that first floor is above the ground floor, right?
Yes.
So for a floor in a house, you must use the preposition on the first floor. I'm going on to the first floor, not in the first floor, not with the first floor, not off the first floor. It is on the first floor. I kept it on the first floor. House. Okay, for public transport. See, for the public transport. You know the public transports are, it can be a bus, it can be a plane, whatever it is. So on the bus, he board on the bus. That's a public transport. It is not private. Okay, he board on the bus. On a plane. On a plane. I'm going on a plane. Okay, and for television and radio, before that also you can use the word on. Switch on the TV, on the radio. I kept there, on the radio. Okay. And the next preposition of place and time, place and directions are, it can be by, it can be next to, it can be beside. Look at the example given here. Jane is standing by the car. Jane is standing next to the car. Jane is standing by the car. Okay, beside the car, near the car. Okay, near the car, next to the car. Okay, beside the car, close with the car, but next to it. Okay, see children, look at the next example. Under. This is a familiar preposition. A kitten is sitting under the table, not on the table. It has a top roof. Okay. So the bag is under the table now. I kept my bag under the table. Okay. Under. The place under something, below something. Look at the preposition below and over. below and over. Below means what? Lower than something
Ma'am,
else,
means,
right? If
down.
you compare something with some other thing, something is lower than the other thing. To show the comparison, you are using lower than. Okay,
Ma'am,
so
like,
fish are below the surface. You know the water level? Fish swims only below the surface level of water. Not, it won't jump out of the water
Ma'am,
as it
it
cannot
would
breathe.
not be above the surface.
So you are comparing the movement of fish within a water. A fish are,
Yes.
the fish are below the surface, water surface. Look at it. Look at the next example, over. Are you familiar with the word top, T-O-P, top? What do you mean by the word top? How many of you know the word top? T-O-P, top means what? T-O-P, top. Are you familiar? Yes, yes, Aldous.
Ma'am, top
It's a
means
playing
like
toy. It's a playing toy. Normally, boys love to play with that top. T-O-P, top.
Ma'am, you are asking the word top?
Yes, ma'am.
It's not clear. What do you mean by top? How many of you have a top at home?
Tip top.
Top, T-O-P, top means what?
Top.
Toys. It is a toy, play toy. Vaiga? Vaiga, she knows
Yes,
it.
ma'am, yes.
Vaiga?
I know, ma'am, I know.
Vaiga,
Yes, I
you
have,
tell me
ma'am,
what
I
is
have.
a top?
Ma'am, it's a toy.
It's a toy. What toy is it?
Like
Ma'am, we have it like
It is in the shape of a parachute, right? It is in the
Yes.
shape like a parachute which ends with a
end part.
nail, and you have a long thread, right? Have you heard of Malayalam Pambaram? Pambaram. How many of you are familiar with the word Pambaram in Malayalam? Pambaram. Yeah, Pambaram. It's English word. Top, T-O-P, top. I don't know how to play with that, but I love to watch how boys are playing, how they are actually playing with the top. They are very expert. Boys are very expert in playing with
Ma'am,
tops, right?
now we have like it's
So
like
remember,
a machine we have.
if you kept a top there, it is rotating. If a boy is running from here, he's jumping over the top means what? He's starting from here and he's going above the top and landing at the opposite side, right? So jumping over the top. It's there still and we are actually crossing on top of that. Okay, so over. E-E-R, over. Okay, look at here, children. So over. Put a jacket over the shirt. Already you are wearing a shirt. On top of that shirt, you can wear a jacket, right?
yes.
Yes. Walk over the bridge. You're not going to stand still. You're not going to stop your journey there on top of the bridge. You will be crossing the bridge from one side to the other. That means you are moving from one side to the other. If you can easily move, right? Walk over the bridge. Climb over the wall. Climbing, crawling and climbing, right? Dragging, yeah. Climb over the wall. You will be crossing from the side by climbing high, and you will be landing into the opposite side by upside down, right? How many of you know how to climb wall? How many of you know how to climb the wall? Nobody. My God, I can climb wall. So you can't? No way. My goodness. Rolls. Very good rolls. Same pinch. Same pinch. So next time we'll go for crawling walls. Okay, next time. Yeah. Who is that? Sebastian. Stefano Sebastian. Change your name. What is that? It's wrongly written. Rename your device. It is written Stefano Sebastian. Stefano is your brother?
Yes, ma'am.
So listen carefully. So this is what we are actually going to talk about. It shows the direction of a movement. Okay, over the wall. So everybody today itself climb over the wall and study how to climb it.
I know, ma'am.
Take your notes. I'm not expecting a call from your parent that because of Anju ma'am, all of my kids, they were all climbing over the wall. No, I don't want a call like that. So please don't do that. Okay, so let us see above. What do you mean by above? Above.
Ma'am, up like opposite of
So
below.
see the example written here. A path above the lake. A plane above the cloud. Okay, a plane is moving below the cloud. Above, on top of. Across. Again, you are crossing your movement from one side to the opposite side. Walk across the bridge, swim across the lake, through, within a limited area. See something with limit of top, bottom and the sides. Narrow area, through, drive through the tunnel. You know, there is its tunnel is actually limited. Top is limited, bottom is there, and it has two thin sides, right? So we are actually traveling through the tunnel, inside the tunnel, through the tunnel. Now, to, the preposition to. Go to the cinema. We are all happy. If you go now, you will be getting coronavirus, right? How many of you are love to watch movies in the theater?
Ma'am,
You like to watch cinema? Okay, fine.
in theater or
2.5 hours continuously you love to sit in the theater?
Ma'am, means like it would be very 3D, like the sound effects and all.
Okay,
Yes,
with the
ma'am.
sound effect and big picture and all the video effect and all, right?
Ma'am, it
If you
would be
watch
with
everything in the
fancy and
movie,
all.
we won't feel that much. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, Adi Ishwar, he is raising both the hands. Ma'am, definitely I want to go to the theater. Don't go now, okay? You are very small. Okay, so listen, let us see. To, go to the cinema, go to London, it shows the direction, movement, go to bed. Amma's usually when 11 o'clock in the late night, Amma will be coming and scolding you, go to bed. Time is up. You're all watching, you're sitting for a long time in front of, I used to say to my son, 10:30 and all, I'll wait till 10:30. Then when 10:30 the clock struck, definitely I'll be going and scolding him, go to bed, it's time to sleep, right? So go to bed, we are directing, or we are actually giving him a direction to move towards the bed, right? Right, children? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, fine. Now you look at here. We have into, go into the kitchen, enter the room. Okay, go into, show the entry. For going enter a room or into a building, we can use into. Go into the kitchen, go into the house. Okay, we should, if it is an enter, we are actually entering, so you must use into there. Towards means what?
Ma'am, to that
Towards.
point, aiming.
Direct. We are actually showing a direct direction, right? Movement in the direction of something called towards.
Yes.
Go 5 steps
that
towards the
place.
house. You are coming towards me. Okay.
Yes.
I'm here and you are approaching me straight, right? On to. Jump onto the table, onto the house. What do you mean by movement to the top of something? Onto. Jump onto the mat. Jump out of the mat, right? Yesterday, my daughter, she was studying her English lessons and she said, Amma, a cat jump out of the mat and a rat jumps onto the vats. Okay, so what do you mean by vats? V-A-T, vats. There is a word in English called V-A-T, vat. What do you mean by vats? You know, a small box like cushion-like thing which we kept for kittens to sleep. Are you familiar with that basket for giving kittens for sleeping at home?
It's my kitchen hat.
That is called a vat. Thick,
Made with cardboard.
thick thing. Okay, V-A-T, vat. Okay, so children, listen. So it is on to. And what do you mean by from? He sent a letter from, a flower from the garden. From means what? Something is from somewhere, right? We are actually collecting it from somewhere. Okay, so let us move to the next slide. So we have got, I have written the answers here. So I know that, I hope that those prepositions and the prepositions used for time and place and directions are clear. And let me give you a small exercise now. I request everybody to take a paper in your hand and get ready to fill your sentences with appropriate prepositions. Okay?
Can you write in a rough book?
In the school note. If you are writing everything in a notebook, then you take that note and write. No problem.
Excuse me.
Use appropriate preposition and complete your sentence. Use appropriate preposition and complete your sentences.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, I have a network issue. Can you write in the
It's
board?
not clear. Someone is asking me
Ma'am,
something.
Steve.
Ma'am, Steve is saying that can you write in the board?
I will write. I will write. Okay. Question number 1.
Excuse
Ma'am, what is the heading? Can you?
I'll be writing the question on the board. The question
Ma'am,
is
what is the heading?
complete your sentence with appropriate prepositions.
Analdos is asking the heading.
Question number 1.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Question number 1.
Ma'am, can you say the heading once again?
Oh.
Excuse
Complete
me,
your
ma'am.
sentences
Someone
using
is calling you.
appropriate prepositions.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, someone is calling you.
Someone is calling you, ma'am.
Yeah, I can hear, but it's not clear for me what the person is asking.
Ma'am.
Okay, so children, question number 1. There is a boy dash the field. Don't tell me the answer now. Question number 2. I am fond dash coffee. What are you looking dash question mark as it is a question. He was waiting dash the door.
Ma'am, can you read out the second one?
I am fond, F-O-N-D, fond dash coffee. 6th one.
I am fond of.
I laughed dash his joke. 6th question. I was attacked dash a snake. 7th question. I have got a present dash you. 8th question. She saved her child dash drowning. 9th question. We keep the money dash a bag. Last question. It is a crown dash gold. These are the 10 questions for you children to answer.
Can you say the heading again?
Ma'am, can you
Use appropriate preposition and complete the sentence, or complete the sentence with appropriate prepositions.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you zoom it once again? Zoom. Zoom in. One more zoom in.
Ma'am, Aldous is
Yes,
asking.
yes, ma'am.
Elders is asking, you want to zoom it.
Zoom. Yeah,
now
1 minute.
okay,
Let
now
me
okay,
adjust
no
the space and I'll zoom it.
Yes, ma'am. Now okay.
I think this is clear. So this was a homework for you to finish. Finish this as
Okay,
a
ma'am.
homework and come. If it is possible, you finish
Ma'am.
it now.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am?
Some questions are completed of me.
Yes?
Ma'am, some questions are completed.
It's not clear?
Ma'am.
Ma'am, I completed some questions.
Over. Is it over, Aldous? Very good.
No,
Very
ma'am.
good.
Can you
So
screenshot?
before ending, let us discuss the answers of these questions first, and I'll be bringing new exercises in the next
Can
class.
you share?
Okay.
Can you-
Okay. Look at here, children.
Ma'am,
Question number 1. Okay. You tell me the answer. There is a boy dash the field.
Ma'am, at the,
In the field.
Very good. There is a boy in the field. Very good.
In the field.
I am fond dash coffee.
off.
Very good. I am fond of coffee. What are you looking dash?
Ma'am, what are you looking at?
At. Very good. Very good. He was waiting dash the door.
At the door.
Ma'am, at the door.
No, at the door. I laughed dash his joke.
Ma'am, at his joke.
Not clear?
door.
At his joke. At his
I
joke.
laughed at his joke. Okay. I was attacked by a snake. Very good. I have got a present.
For you.
Very good. For you. She saved a child.
For drowning.
It is not for. It is from. Drowning.
By, ma'am, by.
Not by. Not by. We keep the money
In a bag.
In a bag.
in a bag.
In a
Very
bag.
good. It is a crown.
By.
It is a crown of
Gold.
crown of
Gold.
gold. So let me end the meeting here as the next
Thank
teacher
you,
is
ma'am.
already waiting.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.